Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Boolean logic problems like this one are actually super simple to solve if you just break the expression down into two small manageable parts. First, look at the left side where we have x and y. This part is only true if both variables are true, which is a very specific condition to meet. Next, check the right side which says not x or y. This means if either variable is true, the whole second part of our expression must result in a false. Joining these parts with and means they cannot both be true simultaneously. Therefore, the result is always false. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs and follow the steps carefully. Option B wins!